Life can change in an instant. One moment everything seems perfectly in place and the next, chaos ensues. One day you have it all, stability, love, purpose. The next it's gone. The security you once felt vanishes, leaving you in a whirlwind of uncertainty, a fire, a flood, a diagnosis, a betrayal. Loss can take many forms. Each event, a reminder of how fragile our existence truly is. The ground beneath you crumbles, leaving you lost and adrift. The familiar becomes foreign and the path forward seems obscured by the debris of what once was. It's a universal experience, one that shakes us to our core. In these moments, we find ourselves questioning everything we once believed in. Rebuilding after loss is a journey of courage, resilience, and the audacity to hope again. It requires us to dig deep, to find strength we never knew we had. This is not a linear process. The road to recovery is filled with twists and turns, unexpected challenges, and moments of doubt. It's messy, painful, and deeply personal. Each person's journey is unique, shaped by their experiences, their pain, and their hope. There will be days of despair and moments of unexpected joy. The smallest glimmer of happiness can appear when you least expect it, reminding you that life goes on. The path ahead may seem daunting, but it's not insurmountable. With each step you grow stronger, more resilient, and more determined to overcome the obstacles in your way. We are wired for resilience. Our ability to adapt, to recover, and to thrive in the face of adversity is a testament to the human spirit. We have within us the strength to rise from the ashes, stronger and wiser than before. Each challenge we face, each setback we endure only serves to make us more resilient, more capable, and more prepared for whatever comes next. In the end, it's our connections, our inner strength, and our unwavering hope that guide us through the darkest times. We learn, we grow, and we emerge, ready to face the world anew. The journey of rebuilding is not just about recovering what was lost, but about discovering new strengths, new perspectives, and new beginnings. It's about finding the beauty in the struggle and the hope in the journey. Loss leaves us reeling, disoriented, and unsure of who we are without what we've lost. It's a time for gentle self-compassion. Allow yourself to grieve. Feel the pain, the anger, the confusion. Don't judge your emotions. They are valid, and they are part of the healing process. Remember to breathe. Inhale strength, exhale pain. Practice mindfulness. Connect with the present moment. The past is gone, the future uncertain. All we have is now. Focus on what you can control. Your breath, your thoughts, your actions. Small steps forward, one at a time. The absence of what was lost can feel heavy, a constant reminder of what is gone. It's okay to feel the weight of that emptiness. Don't try to fill it immediately. Give yourself time to heal. This is a process, not a race. Journal your feelings. Write down your thoughts, fears, and hopes. Putting it on paper can help process the emotions. Seek support groups or therapy. Connecting with others who understand can be incredibly validating. Remember, you are not alone. Many have walked this path before you and found their way back to the light. Loss can shatter our sense of purpose. What was once important may now seem meaningless. This is an opportunity to redefine your purpose, to discover what truly matters to you now. Explore new interests, revisit old passions. What brings you joy? What makes you feel alive? Volunteer your time, your skills, your heart. Helping others can be a powerful way to find meaning and connect with something larger than yourself. Remember, your purpose is not defined by what you've lost, but by what you choose to create from the ashes. Embrace the unknown. Be open to new possibilities. In our fast-paced world, we often overlook the significance of small, consistent actions. Yet, these tiny steps are the building blocks of monumental achievements. Rebuilding is not about grand gestures or overnight transformations. It's about the gradual, steady progress that accumulates over time. Just like a building is constructed brick by brick or a flower blooms petal by petal, our growth happens incrementally. It's about the small, consistent steps we take each day. Set realistic goals that are achievable and within your reach. Write them down, visualize them, and remind yourself of them daily. Break down overwhelming tasks into smaller, manageable ones. This makes them less daunting and more approachable. Use tools like sticky notes or to-do list apps to keep track of your progress and stay organized. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small. Recognize your efforts and reward yourself for the progress you make. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated and encouraged. Focus on what you can do today. Don't let the weight of future tasks overwhelm you. Concentrate on the present moment and the actions you can take right now. Don't get bogged down by the enormity of the task ahead. Take a deep breath, gather your determination, and take that first step. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. One step at a time, one day at a time. Progress is a journey, not a race. Each footprint you leave behind is a testament to your perseverance and dedication. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Be patient with yourself. Healing and growth take time. Allow yourself the grace to make mistakes and learn from them. There will be setbacks along the way. Obstacles are inevitable, but they are also opportunities for growth and learning. When you encounter a roadblock, take a moment to reassess and find a new path forward. Embrace them as part of the journey. Each stumble and fall is a chance to rise stronger and wiser. Keep moving forward and remember that every step, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. You don't have to do this alone. Reach out to your support system. Family, friends, therapists, support groups. Allow yourself to be vulnerable, to ask for help when you need it. Accept love and support. Let others hold you up when you feel weak. Their strength can fuel your own. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. It takes courage to admit you need support, and it takes a village to rebuild a life. Vulnerability is often perceived as weakness, but it's actually the birthplace of courage, connection, and creativity. Embrace your vulnerability. Allow yourself to feel the full spectrum of emotions without judgment. Share your story with trusted loved ones. Connecting with others who have experienced loss can be incredibly healing. Remember, vulnerability begets vulnerability. When we open ourselves up to others, we create space for them to do the same. This shared humanity is where true healing begins. The future after loss can feel uncertain, even frightening. Embrace the unknown. See it not as a void, but as a blank canvas. You are the artist now, free to paint your life with new dreams, new goals, and new possibilities. Don't be afraid to dream again. What do you want your life to look like now? Set new goals, no matter how big or small. Believe in your ability to create a future filled with joy, purpose, and meaning. The unknown can be daunting, but it can also be exhilarating. Embrace the adventure. Loss, though painful, can be a catalyst for profound personal growth. It forces us to confront our deepest fears, examine our values, and redefine our priorities. Embrace the lessons learned. What did this experience teach you about yourself? What did you discover about your own strength and resilience? How can you use this experience to help others? Remember, even in the darkest of times, there is always an opportunity for growth. We are all works in progress, constantly evolving and becoming. Loss is a part of that journey. You have survived 100% of your worst days. You are stronger than you think. You have within you an untapped well of resilience. Tap into that strength. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and create a fulfilling life. Remember, resilience is not about avoiding pain or pretending everything is okay. It's about feeling the pain, acknowledging the loss, and still choosing to move forward with hope and determination. You are not defined by your loss. You are defined by your courage, your resilience, and your unwavering spirit. As the first light of dawn breaks over the horizon, it symbolizes a fresh start, a new beginning. The darkness of the night fades away, making room for the warmth and promise of a new day. Rebuilding after loss is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for love, courage, and resilience. In the face of adversity, we find strength in our connections with others. The embrace of a loved one, the unwavering support of family, and the determination in our hearts drive us forward. It's a journey of healing, growth, and transformation. Each step taken on this path is a step towards rediscovering ourselves. Like a hiker on a mountain trail, we navigate the ups and downs, finding solace in the beauty of nature and the peace within ourselves. Embrace the new you, the one who has walked through fire and emerged stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. Just as a phoenix rises from the ashes, so too do we rise from our challenges, reborn and renewed. The sun will rise again, hope will bloom again. Just as the morning sun breaks through the clouds, bringing light to the world, so too will hope break through the darkness, bringing new opportunities and possibilities, and you will find your way back to the light, stronger and more beautiful than before. The journey may be long and arduous, but with each step, you grow stronger, more resilient, and more beautiful in your spirit. Believe in the power of new beginnings. Every sunrise, every new day, is an opportunity to start afresh. Plant the seeds of your dreams, nurture them with hope and determination, and watch as they grow and flourish. Your story is not over yet. Each day is a blank page waiting to be filled with your experiences, your growth, and your triumphs. Climb the mountains of your challenges and write your story of resilience and strength. This is just the beginning of a new chapter, one filled with hope, resilience, and the unwavering belief that even in the face of loss, we can rise again. Together, we can face any storm, and together, we can find the light of a new dawn.